The world of AI art is booming. Let's dive into the top platforms that are shaping this revolution. From abstract to photorealistic, AI is reshaping how we view art. But which platforms stand out? Topping the list, we all know Midjourney is the king. A favorite for its aesthetic and photorealistic images. They've mastered human depictions, setting them apart. But there's a catch. Midjourney isn't free anymore. So, for those on a budget, let's explore other options. Leonardo AI. Pitched as the ultimate tool for game designers, this platform surprises with its expansive reach. What makes it stand out? Leonardo AI offers a diverse range of models to choose from. From the dark, aesthetic Leonardo diffusion to models fine-tuned for precise design elements, artists have a smorgasbord of options. Let's check a few examples. On the other side, we have Night Cafe Art Studio. Simplicity meets creativity here. What's immediately noticeable is its user-friendly approach. New to AI artistry, Night Cafe's intuitive interface welcomes beginners warmly. Its preset challenges and competitions add a layer of engagement, making art creation not just a task but a delightful experience. When it comes to results, Night Cafe excels in abstract and surreal designs. However, when it comes to human depictions, expect more avant-garde interpretations. Stepping into the next one, Dreamlike Art stands out for newbies, offering an easy initiation into AI art. Deep Dream Generator, with its artsy vibe, is a treat, but watch that price tag. The digital art landscape, particularly within the realm of AI-generated art, is as vast as it is revolutionary. With the dawn of AI-driven platforms, artists, enthusiasts, and even the curious onlooker have been granted a new avenue to explore the depths of creativity and reimagine what art means in the 21st century. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.